everyone, welcome back. So Grabby sent me the recently launched viral 100 color watercolor set. It's highly pigmented, high saturated, portable and easy to carry, 100% non-toxic set. 140 lb watercolor pad and swatch sheet. It has 3 water brush pen and a waterproof fine liner pen. So let's check it out. Look at this. Wow, I already got their old pen, but this one is insane. Look at the colors. This set has 50 essential colors, 35 shimmering colors, 10 pastels, and 5 neons. 3 brush pens and the fine liner. Let's see. This is flat. It's round, very sharp, pointy, and that's a mini detailer, I would say. This is a round brush, and it's very pointy. It's perfect for leaf, detailing, flowers and everything. So what you're gonna do, you open it up, fill it up, fill the water from your tap or anywhere, and then close it, squeeze it, and the water gonna come flowing down. Look at that. It's very convenient. You don't have to keep washing your brush. You can just simply, drop on them and then just paint. Perfect. Not gonna lie, look at those colors and just look at those glittery ones. Look at. For me, this part is very relaxing. Not gonna lie, my camera is not doing justice. These shimmery ones are beautiful. Look at those droplets dropping on top of the colors. So this is like an actual therapy. Just looking at these colors, it's like happiness bursting in my brain. And this never gets old. I'm never gonna be bored of doing this. I can do this all day. So instead of swatching, I got a very good idea to test the vibrancy of the colors. I'm going to paint something very colorful. Not a rainbow, but something rainbowish kind of background, which is gonna be very beautiful, bright, and I can see actually how these colors are working, how they're like at this point I can say they're not chalky, they're very, very pigmented, and look at those. So I got this waterproof fine liner and I'm gonna draw on top of the background, of course after it dried. Just drawing a simple flower on top of our rainbow background. I just want to see how it pops on top of those colors. And this fine liner they gave me with the pen, it's very, very good. It draws very well and it's waterproof. And of course, those of you who know me, you know this art piece is not gonna be complete without a bit touch of shimmer. So here I am adding just a bit of touch of shimmer. Okay, look at these colors. They blend so well. Thanks to Grabby for sending me this set. Guys, go and check this 100 color watercolor set from Grabby today.